You speak English?
Very bad.
Well, let's try. Why are you here?
What?
Why are you here?
My English very bad. Что вы делаете?
Почему вы здесь?
Because we don't want war. We want peace. Crimea is my.
One part of Ukraine.
Maybe I can tell something.
Yes.
Okay, I want to tell that I'm from Crimea, I'm from Simferopol, I'm Crimean Tatar, and I'm here to tell that Crimea is a part of Ukraine, and the Crimean Tatars are the part of Ukrainian nation. And we want to tell the Kiev, we want to tell Ukraine, we want to tell the whole world that we want to stand beside these actions, and we will stand for Ukraine.
Do you feel like a victim of this whole conflict between?
Maybe yes, because some people in the top, yes, they said that they will do something without asking us, the people of Ukraine, the people of Crimea.
And are you? Who are you afraid of?
I'm not afraid.
Or what are you afraid of? You wouldn't be protesting unless something is up in the air.
We afraid that people, government, do things that without asking us.
The Ukrainian government?
Crimean government.
Crimean government?
Yes. They didn't ask us, do we really want to Russia? They didn't ask anything.
But I thought there's a referendum or something.
There is no referendum yet.
Yeah.
Referendum will be on 16 March. Yes?
Yes.
But they decided that Crimea is already Russia.
Who decided that?
Government of Crimea.
Okay.
Crimean government. They already has decided that.
Okay.
Without asking us. Without referendum, without anything.
But and what do you think is going to happen if the referendum goes like, okay, we want to join Russia?
If the referendum was prepared right way, yes, without guns, without soldiers, and if the most of people in Crimea said yes, we want to Russia, it's no problem. Yes, the most of people say that they want. But the problem is that before the referendum was held, they decided they want to live in Russia. Government decided, not people. Yeah. And the second problem is that they decided that under the guns.
Under threat.
In a threat, yes. There are soldiers in Crimea. Russian soldiers, foreign land.
Right.
What are they doing there? I don't understand it.
But weren't some Russian soldiers already on Crimea?
Yes, but there are threats that they should stay in their bases. There are several bases in Crimea and they should stay there,
right.
But not in Simferopol. In Simferopol there are no bases, Russian bases.
Tell me about like how many Crimean Tatars live on Crimea?
We're not so much in Crimea. We are only.
Are you from Crimea?
Yes, I'm Crimean Tatar. I'm from Crimea.
You traveled to Kiev today?
Yes.
Okay.
We live there in 350,000 people in Crimea, Crimean Tatars. We are not so much. We are only 13% of Crimea.
But it's still a large minority.
A large minority, yes, but we are native Crimeans. My grandfather of my grandfather were living in Crimea. Most of Russians has come just 15, 16 years
and
of the 12th century.
And how were you treated all your life in Crimea when you belonged to Ukraine? Always peaceful? Was it always okay?
Mostly peaceful, yes.
And now you're afraid that when you join Russia, it's not going to be peaceful anymore?
We're afraid of war.
Because
now it's not a peaceful. The situation is not going peaceful. Yes, we see soldiers on the streets. We see military techniques on the streets, and we're afraid that the war can begin. Yes, but also the more problem is with the Russian soldiers to Crimea have come a lot of different criminal elements, Russian criminal elements, Cossacks, Russian Cossacks, which don't want to see us Crimean Tatars in Crimea. Crimea is a Russian territory, and there are no nationality like Crimean Tatars, no nationality like Ukrainians. Yeah, they say that Ukrainians are just a part of Russians that had they collaborate with Western. Yes, there is no Ukrainian nationality.
So what would for you be the ideal outcome of this all? Like, should the referendum be pushed back? Should there be no referendum at all?
First of all, no Russian soldiers in Crimea. First of all.
But there are bases there.
Only on basis.
Only on bases.
Only on
Okay,
basis, yes.
You're okay with that?
Yes, okay. But not in the streets on where they don't have to be. The second, okay, let it be a referendum. It's not a problem. But it should be prepared in a right way, according to laws,
And
according to constitution, yes.
And long term.
Long term, and everybody should have some opportunity to say their point of view. Because you know, in Crimea today, many oppositional channels, many Ukrainian channels, even Crimean Tatar channels have been cut out.
Really?
Stopped, yeah. And instead of these channels, they show Crimeans, yes, us, Russian channels with Russian propaganda.
Wow.
Yeah.
What does our sign say?
Crimea is Ukraine.
And do you think there's also a media war going on, like between
Yes, of course.
East and West? How's the West influencing the Crimean crisis?
Maybe yes.
How?
West always Western people, West America, EU.
Yeah.
They always supported Western going of Ukraine to the West.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
Natural.
Yeah.
Russia was trying to
Stop that.
take Ukraine back to USSR. Yeah.
Yeah.
And how to say? Now they are.
Take your time.
Now they are trying to influence the people in Ukraine and Crimea and to say that their choice is better. I think so.
And in other ways. Okay. Can you give my producer your name? It's for German TV.
German TV?
Yeah.
Deutsch?
Yeah, Deutsche TV.
Diliver Mametov. My name is Diliver Mametov. I'm from Simferopol.
And also, how many people are they all from Crimea? All the Tatars?
No. Yeah, they're all Ukrainians just who want to support us. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too. Dankeschön.
Good luck.
Danke.
What are we talking about?
Stop putting occupation Crimea. Hi, hello.
What's up?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's going on in Crim?
Oh, it's a very, very bad situation because Putin occupation to Crimea. And, you know, I'm living in Kiev. And I'm very happy about Crimea because it's my city. I love this country. And it's very bad because he's... Как это оружие?
Guns.
Weapon. Huh? Weapon, yes. A lot of weapon. It's not...
On the streets?
Yes, it's impossible.
And are you a Tatar?
Sorry?
Are you a Tatar?
Crimean Tatar.
Are you Crimean?
No, I'm Ukrainian.
But you're protesting with them?
Because I love crime, and crime is Ukraine. It's not Russia.
Has it always been?
And it's true. A lot of people who's living in Kiev and crime want to be in Ukraine, not Russia. It's a liar.
But who says otherwise?
It's little. Oh my God, sorry.
Minority?
Yes. Это, ну, как бы меньшинство.
Minority.
And now you're here supporting the Tatars?
Yes.
Protesting?
Yes. I wish to.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Nice.